Welcome to Bancus, your decentralized digital bank. Today you'll learn how to easily sign up using an invitation link. Step 1. Click the link you received through WhatsApp, Telegram, or social media. This link will take you directly to the registration form. Once you click it, it takes you to this page. At the bottom right corner, you'll see an arrow icon. We're going to click on it until it takes us to the Install App button. Tap this button, and it will display the instructions to share and add it to your home screen so the app stays pinned to your phone's desktop. We're going to tap at the bottom and then tap Share and look for the option that says Add to Home Screen. Tap on that option and leave the default name as Bancus. At that moment, you'll see that the Bancus app has been successfully added to your phone's home screen. Let's tap on it, and this completes the first step of the registration process, with the app now pinned to your phone's home screen. Welcome to Bancus. Today we're going to show you how to create your account using the app. Step 1. Open the Bancus app on your phone. Step 2. Type in your email address. Then tap the button that says Open Bancus Account. Next, choose a username. And re-enter your email. Now tap the Register button. A code has just been sent to the email you provided. Go to your inbox and find it. Once you have the code, enter it into the app. Tap Confirm Email. And that's it. Your Bancus app is now ready. You can recharge it and start using the services of our digital bank. Welcome to Bancus. With Bancus, you can top up your card using crypto, quickly, securely, and in a decentralized way. Here's a step-by-step guide to show you how. Open the app. We're going to log in now using biometrics. Remember, our app has very strong security. Once inside the app, tap on Deposit. It will immediately show us a QR code for the wallet. At the bottom, it gives us the address. Let's copy the address. It tells us the transfer should be made through the BNB Smart Chain network. Now, let's go to the wallet or exchange from which we're going to make the payment. We're going to click on Withdraw. Select Send Via. And here we'll paste the address Bancus gave us, so the funds are sent correctly. Remember to use the BNB Smart Chain network. Binance charges us $1 extra. We're going to send 10, so we'll enter $11 instead, and then tap Withdraw. Here it asks us to verify through our email. And we've just processed the withdrawal. Let's go back to our Bancus app. And as you can see, in just a few seconds, our card has been loaded with the $11. And if we check the transactions, it shows that a deposit in USDT was made through the BNB network for $11. That's how quick and easy it is to top up with crypto on Bancus. The second step to load our card is, once inside the app, tap on Top Up. Then we select that we want to top up the card with $10. At the bottom, it shows us the gross conversion. Remember, the only fee Bancus charges is 4% on the amount you top up to the card. We're going to top up the card. The app will show us how the top-up will be processed, the exchange rate, the fee being charged, and the estimated amount we'll receive. Let's tap Continue. It says Top Up Successful. At this moment, we can already start using our card because it has been loaded with $10. So, we have $2 left in crypto within the app, plus the balance that's now on the card. And if we go to My Cards, we can see that it's already been topped up. Welcome to Bancus. Did you know you can earn automatic and decentralized rewards with Bancus? Today, we'll show you how to get your referral link and start inviting others. Let's tap on the app, and you'll have two login options: biometric access or a PIN, which will be sent to your email in just a few seconds. We're going to use the second option. Right now, the message is being sent. Let's check our email. The message has arrived. Enter the code you just received and tap Confirm Email. We've just logged into our Bancus app. At the bottom, you'll see a box that says, Invite friends and earn USDT automatically and in a decentralized way. Let's tap on that box, and it just gave us our referral link. It will give us an invitation code and a referral link. To the right of the link, there are two small icons you can tap to copy and paste your referral link and share it with your friends. Let's tap on it, and the link has just been copied. Now, send it to everyone you want to start using this decentralized digital bank, so they can easily earn and make payments through a decentralized system.